In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete labels in Google Keep. If you've ever cleaned up your notes and realized some labels are no longer useful, deleting them is a quick way to streamline your workspace. I'll walk you through the process on the web, explain what happens to your notes afterward, and share a few tips to keep everything organized. Start by opening Google Keep in your browser at keepgoogle.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. On the left side of the screen, look for the sidebar. If it's collapsed, click the menu icon, the three horizontal lines at the top left, to expand it. From that sidebar, choose Edit Labels. This opens a panel with all the labels you've created. Find the label you want to remove. Hover your mouse over that label name and a small trash can icon will appear next to it. Click the trash can to delete the label. Google Keep will ask you to confirm, so click Delete when prompted. That's it. Your label is now removed. A quick note on what this actually does. Deleting a label does not delete your notes. Your notes remain exactly where they are. They simply lose the association with that label. After you delete it, the label disappears from the left sidebar, and you can't use it to filter notes anymore. If you open a note that previously had that label, you won't see the label on it because it no longer exists. If you don't see the Edit Labels option right away, double-check that you're in the main Google Keep view and not inside an individual note. Also, if the label list looks out of date, refresh the page to make sure your sidebar is up to speed. And if you manage a lot of labels, take a moment before deleting to confirm that nothing else depends on that label for your workflow, since you'll need to create a new label from scratch if you change your mind later. A small organizational tip. Before removing a label you used often, consider opening your notes and skimming through any that relied on that label. If you still need a way to group those notes, you can apply a different existing label beforehand so you don't lose your sorting system. That's all there is to it. By removing labels you no longer need, you keep your Google Keep tidy and make it faster to find what matters. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.